In this video, we will show you the basic workflow of DentalCam 9. This is the interface of DentalCam 9. DentalCam 9 launches on the Workflow Mode page. Here, you can start creating and editing virtual blanks right away. Below the Workflow Mode icon, you will find the Blank Archive. This area displays blanks that have already been created, allows you to load a blank, and provides access to the remaining material display. Below the saved blanks is the Job Queue. This displays jobs for dental CNC that are currently being calculated or are still in the queue. At the bottom left, you will find the program and material settings, the help page, and the current status regarding your connection to VHF. To create a new job, return to the Workflow Mode page. In Workflow Mode, DentalCam displays the Workflow bar. The Workflow bar guides you through the individual steps from object import to nesting the virtual blank. In the first step, you import an object. Select one or more files to import. If you import a file with metadata, the import parameters are already pre-filled. If your file does not contain metadata, you must select the import parameters. To select the parameters, click on the Object Detail view. Select the object's indication. You can enable or disable the automatic search for cavities and drill holes separately, or use the recommended settings. The manufacturing quality is set using the stars. Check the box for the objects you want to nest. To load disks, select the machine type and the blank geometry disk at the bottom of the window. You are now at the disk selection workflow step. If you want to use a previously saved disk, select the appropriate disk from the list. If you want to add a new disk, click Create New Disk. When importing with metadata, DentalCam pre-fills the filter with values from the metadata, such as the material. You can also manually select the desired filter criteria for the material list. Select the desired material from the material list. If you use the material regularly, you can add it to your favorites. Set the parameters for the disk and click the Save button. Your newly created disk will now appear in the disk overview and is ready for proceeding to the nesting view. The workflow for using blocks is similar. To load blocks, select your machine type and the blank geometry block. In the Blocks section, click the Create Block button for the desired block position. Select the desired material in the material list. Set the parameters for the block and click the Save button. You can now assign an object to the block. Drag the desired object onto the block. To continue with nesting, click the button in the lower right corner. In the nesting view, you design the virtual blanks. The nesting view consists of the following sections: the tab for object settings, the tab for job settings, the blank display, the toolbar for adjusting the blank display, and the estimated manufacturing time for the job. In the Quality tab, you can configure the manufacturing specifications. In the Optional Tool section, you can control the use of additional tools for the selected object. In the Editing Functions tab, you can modify the selected object in several ways. DentalCam 9 offers automatic positioning and automatic placement of bars as a new feature. In the Auto Nesting section, you can reload the automatic positioning and automatic placement of bars. In the Object Arrangement tab, you can configure the object layout for automatic positioning. You still have the option to position objects manually. You can also place bars manually. In this case, we remove an intact bar and place a new partially reduced bar. Once you've finished nesting the objects, you can have the job calculated. That's it. You have successfully created a job in DentalCam 9. All the jobs you have created will appear in Dental CNC 9. This is the Dental CNC 9 interface. On the left side, your machines are displayed. On the right side, you can find icons for controlling your machine. Your jobs are listed in the workspace area. Above the workspace area is the main icon bar. You can access all sections containing machine functions via the main icon bar. To start the manufacturing of our job, we still need to add the required tools for the job to our tool magazine. Once you have inserted the required tools, you can start the manufacturing of the desired job. You now have a basic overview of the workflow in DentalCam 9. Get ready for in-depth insights. We're currently producing an exclusive video series that explains every step of the process in detail. For the complete instructions, visit dentalportal.info. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.